This was a little tutorial on how to show people who wanted to add your microphone to a screen recorder on your iPhone. This is how you do it. It can pick up audio. You can hear audio in the background doing your screen recording. As such, what I'm doing now, you can see the little notification center. That's the sound. I just got a message on my MacBook. Don't mind that. And you can just scroll through. You know, this is a screen recording, and just show you everything. Regular little stuff. Just wanted to show little tips and tricks on your iPhone that's running iOS 14.4, I believe, at the moment. Let me check and see. General about 14.42. Yep, that's it.